Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted ChatGPT chats. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to know is that if you don't have any backup of ChatGPT chats, then you will not be able to recover those messages because those will be permanently deleted. But in order to be on the safe side, you need to create a backup of all of your chats in order to recover them later on. So to do that, you're going to simply log into your ChatGPT account and click on your profile here at the bottom left corner. Here, you're going to click on settings and you'll be able to see all your account settings. From the left side bar, you're going to click on data controls. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options such as export data. So you're going to simply click on export and all of your account details along with the chats will be exported. And then you can simply recover them using that export. And also, if sometimes you have network issue and your chats are not deleted, they might be residing under the archived chats. So you're going to simply click on manage and you'll be able to see your archived chats over here. So you can recover them from here as well. So the only simple and logical method in order to recover your chats is by creating a backup and later on recovering all of your chats using that backup. And even though if you delete your browser history, like let's say when you go to three dots over here, and then when you go to settings over here, you're going to click on privacy and security. And when you're deleting the browsing data from here, you're going to make sure to uncheck cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Simply delete the browsing history and click on delete data. So that will basically not delete entire chats of your ChatGPT. And in turn, you can recover them later on using the backup that you just exported.